Hey guys, well, welcome to the channel. My name's Melissa. I wasn't intending to make a video, but as I got started on this recipe, I thought this might turn out really good, so I better turn the camera on just in case. And it did turn out really great, and it came together really fast. So I've got some leftover phyllo dough from another recipe I'm making, and I just crumpled them up. I had 3 sheets crumpled up into a bread pan. And then I've got 2 eggs up here at the top that I whisked together with a 1/4 cup of melted butter. And now I'm adding a 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon. And then we're gonna whisk all that together. And when I do this recipe again, so you guys, take note here, I would totally add like a tablespoon of honey to the egg mixture just so that the dessert is sweet all the way through. But really, if you don't like a super sweet dessert, then don't bother. And over here you'll also see my crushed nuts. I've got some walnuts and pistachios, probably totaling about 3/4 cups of nuts, and I just did equal parts and put it into a Ziploc bag because I don't have a food processor at the moment. And then I took a jar and just smashed them down. And then we're going to add those to the top. And then I also just kind of push the phyllo dough down into the egg batter just so that it's moist all the way through. And I wasn't going to add all the nuts, but right about here I decided, you know what, let's go. Let's add them all. And now it's time for the honey drizzle on the top. Not totally sure exactly how much honey I used, but somewhere between 2 to 3 tablespoons drizzled on top. And then she's ready for a 375-degree oven for 25 minutes. And that's what she looks like when she's done. And I probably shouldn't have used my knife here, but I was extra gentle as to not scratch my pan. And there was enough butter, I think, in the egg mixture to not really need to do this step, but that honey was kind of cooked on there, so just wanted to do that so it didn't fall apart but while I was taking it out. And I got my handy dandy spatula. And this really did come out a lot easier than I expected. And then we just slice it into some bars and enjoy. So yeah, this recipe was super easy, came together really fast, and tastes really great. If you're not into a super sweet dessert, but you like the taste of baklava, you should definitely try this. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please give the video a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video.